How to use n8n for personal productivity. So n8n is a powerful tool to enhance your personal productivity. You can first set up your n8n. You can just go to n8n.io in order to sign up for an account. You can also do self-hosting or cloud options depending on what you want. Next, you just need to identify your repetitive tasks like saving email attachments, posting updates across multiple social platforms, adding events, or replying to comment inquiries. So, if those are automated, it will save you a lot of time. First, build your workflow. In here, you just need to choose the trigger event. I have chosen on form submission. And in here, you just need to choose right there the action that will correspond to that. You can see right here the details for that and execute it according to your liking right there. Now, once you have started or executed your workflow, it will appear on the executions and you can also have the option to evaluate it if you would want. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.